Hello there and welcome to Yoga Poses, Foundations of Yoga Asanas with Yoga with Andrea today. And in this tutorial we're going to be practicing Warrior I pose or Virabhadrasana I. This is a standing posture and we'll begin in Tadasana or mountain pose. From this position, step your left foot back, toes pointing slightly out, feet hip distance apart. Adjust your stance so that you are able to feel stable and grounded through the feet, and the pelvis also is nice and stable. Bring your hands to the hips, aligning your hips with the front edge of the mat by rolling your outer right hip back a bit and the outer left hip forward. Keep your upper body facing the front edge of the mat and your shoulders level. Bend your right knee, the right thigh towards parallel to the floor. Keep the weight in the front heel and the big toe. Press the back foot down and lift from the inner arch of the back foot. Keep the back leg engaged. This is like your anchor. Draw your lower abdomen gently in and up towards your spine. Lengthen your spine and soften at the base of your neck. Collarbone spread. Lift your arms over your head, opening the chest. Widen between the shoulder blades, the base of the shoulder blades lifting in and up towards the spine. Firm your triceps in to straighten the arms. If your neck allows it, if your shoulders have sufficient mobility, look up, interlacing the fingers above your head, lifting your chest bone, your sternum, but keeping the lower ribs stretching down. Stay in this posture, this asana, between 5 and 15 breaths, softening your face and feeling the strength rebounding and arising from your foundation. To come out of the posture, inhale and press through your back heel as you straighten the front leg carefully. Exhale and lower your arms. Step your back foot forwards, coming back to Tadasana or mountain pose, and then repeat, switching sides. There are many benefits to this practice. It improves balance and posture, stretches and strengthens the feet, the ankles, the calves and the thigh muscles. This posture improves mobility in the shoulders and the hip joints and opens the heart and lungs. Keep your feet roughly hip distance apart in this position, as if on separate train tracks, in order to keep your hips facing forwards. If you feel discomfort in the lower back or pelvis region, lift your back heel up and adapt to a high lunge or a crescent pose instead. If there are any injuries or soreness in your neck, keep your chin tucked in ever so slightly and your neck in line with your spine. To prevent the front knee from collapsing in, wrap the muscles around the outer hip to externally rotate the leg. To prevent the ribs from flaring out, engage the core and draw the tailbone down towards the mat, drawing it underneath you, which also keeps the lower back nice and long. Thank you for practicing Warrior Pose Virabhadrasana I with me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now. Namaste.